Bonjour tout le monde! I wanted to show you how to find our French audiobooks and how to switch the language on those sites so that you can access the French. So this will be a little bit of franglais for you so you can practice a bit of French. Alors, on commence par déplacer le curseur sur la bibliothèque and we choose library site. Puis la bibliothèque numérique, the digital library, and audiobooks. D'accord, on a trois options ici. So the choices for French, where French is available are Audible, Indigenous storybooks, and Tumble books. So we'll start with Audible. Here we go to À écouter en français, just on that first page that arises. There we go, turned orange. And that shows us all our options. Puis on a ce site. So Indigenous storybooks, it's pretty obvious to go change language, but the reason I wanted to show you this one was just to give a little caveat that sometimes the audiobook will be in English and sometimes it'll be in French. So if you come across one that is in English, don't give up. There are others that have French audiobook as well as the ebook. Et on a Tumble Book Library. Pour celui-ci, on va à language learning. So it was blue. There we go. And scroll down to français. And you can probably recognize a lot of these books. There's lots of really awesome options there. So I hope that you have a lot of fun enjoying reading French and listening to people reading French to you. Okay, bonne journée. Au revoir.